channel. I'm Priya from Artistic Aries. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ ആണ് how I drape my sari. Yes, many of my friends, many of my relatives suggested me to do this video. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഒത്തിരി സ്പെഷ്യൽ ആണ് because എനിക്ക് സാരി ഉടുക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒത്തിരി ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. So I hope you like this video and let's get started. So guys, I'm going to show you how I drape my sari. So this is the sari I'm going to wear right now. So there are two ends in a sari. So the first starting end is this one. What you have to do is for the beginners you can do one thing. It is sometimes difficult to know that which is the starting end, which is the ending end. So you have to do one thing, make a knot, a small knot over here on the top of this end, so that whenever you take this sari out, you can know that from where you have to start. Okay, so I'm taking this first end and this is my right side, this is my left side, and I'm starting to tuck it in from my right side. So taking this part, tucking it in like this slowly. Make sure if you want to wear heels, you can do that before draping your sari so that the length of your sari looks good even after wearing a heel. Okay, you have to take one whole round like this. Okay, see. Okay, I've taken this one round. After that, I'll leave some part of this sari for the front pleats and then take this left out part from the back and take it towards the front, and I'm going to make the front pleat. Okay, so what you have to do is keep your fingers like this. See, index finger like this and thumb finger touch to rest of your fingers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It's very easy. Now after doing this, we have to set this from here so that we can pin it over our shoulder. This is done. You have to do this properly so that the front look of your sari doesn't look that bad when you wear it. Let's make it quick. So it's done. Now I'm pinning it here on my shoulders. So this is an easy way. Keep your safety pins like this so you can just easily get it when you're draping a sari like this. See, so after this again I'm coming back to front pleats. This is nicely done, you can see this. Now coming back, see, now I have to adjust this portion. So again fingers like this and same types of pleats. And easy. Then again take this all properly. Now take out the pin. Okay, you can create little trouble. Okay, now it's done. Now this is the front part of the pleats and this is the back part. So I'm going to tuck a pin over here so that whenever you walk or do anything wearing a sari, even if the petticoat is like little loose or something, the sari will not fall off. Now another thing, usually girls tuck these pleats over here in this side. This is not how it is done. We have to tuck this in the middle part like here. So I'm just gonna tuck it. See, it's done. Now this leftover part, what I'll do is, first of all, make this front little proper. Take this part, and when you are wearing a sari, some girls don't like to show their tummy and stuff. So here's a tip for you. Take this part of your sari, and if this is your blouse, take this part over here. Now with the help of a small pin, very small pin, just adjust it over here. Your stomach is not visible. See? Now you can see it's a proper sari, like one you like to wear for any functions and stuff. You can do one more thing. If you feel lazy to make this pleats, you can let it go, let it just be open up, and see, this is how it looks. And with this I'm going to show you some more styles with saris, so keep watching. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to mention your favorite look among these. And again, with that, I would like to share a small bonus tip with you. Like whenever you are wearing a sari, the blouse should not be very loose or very tight. It will make it look untidy. And again, the petticoat, the material of the petticoat should be very comfortable, so that it's not sticky in nature. So when you walk or when you sit, it is like comfortable. So this was my bonus tip. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Please suggest me your opinions, your point of views about this video, and also don't forget to share what you want me to do next. So thank you so much. Thank you.